Everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off predictive text on Android phone. Now let's get started. First, open your keyboard at your phone, and after this, in here you can write the text. And if you wanna turn off this predictive text, this one like this, okay. It's so pretty simple, so you just click on the setting icon, this one, click on it, and after this, in here you can see predictive text. You can turn off this icon, so you just click on it and finish. After this, you can go back and you can write the text, and the predictive text has been turned off. So that's how to turn off predictive text on Android phone. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.